Hi, my name is Otis, the host of Internet Nugget. You're welcome to our channel. So today we're going to look at 10 steps to make extra money with affiliate marketing online. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply referring someone to another company to actually buy a product. But this happens online, not the physical or the bricks and mortar stores. So when we all do affiliate marketing, but we don't get paid for it. We refer our friends ask us, where did you get this t-shirt? I said, I bought it from this website. Or where did you get your glasses? And so we bought it from this website. And they go on the website, they make a purchase, you don't get paid for it. But at the end of this video, you now begin to earn for every referral that you send to a company. And when your friend asks you, is it the airline ticket, is it hotel booking, is it grocery shopping, or what is it, you're buying from Walmart, you're buying from Amazon, you're buying from eBay, or any other company. So the first thing that you're going to do is to actually look at if these companies offer what we call the affiliate program. So that's what it means. So you are creating lead, you are sending lead to them, because it costs the business to get a customer. It costs the business a lot, a customer that is going to buy from them, and they know the worth of that lead. So that's why you get paid when you refer someone that make a valid purchase from that business. So we're going to look at 10 steps to make money with affiliate marketing. So what do you need to do? How do you get started? The first is buying your domain name. Domain name is just like a street address, because you want to be represented online. So you need a domain name, and the domain name is just like when you see the abc.com and you keep saying different this.com, this and this faction.com, and that's what they call the domain name. It is just like a street address. It's your identity on the web. It represents who you are on the web, and that's how people get to know you on the web. So, and I've done a video on my channel. Go to Internet Nugget. You see the video how to buy a domain name. It's a complete guide from the beginning to the end, so you'll be able to see how you can buy a domain name. So then once you get that domain name, the next step is to set up an affiliate relationship with one or two companies that then you would have decided the product you want to promote. It could be healthy product, it could be weight loss, it could be any product, it could be electronics, it could be digital materials, it could be audiobooks, it could be different things that you want to actually sell. So once you set up that relationship, you know the company, and you sign up with the company, and you sign up for their affiliate program, and you become an affiliate partner, and that entitles you to actually get their promotional and marketing material to market their product online, on different platforms, on your website, on your blog, on social media channels. So once you've done that, you create a simple website for that product. And one thing that I'm going to tell you, one little bit secret, which is an old tactics, and if you want to promote a specific product, please make sure that when you're buying the domain name, that you try to actually see how you'll be able to factor in the product name as part of your domain name. But people are going to tell you that it's old tricks, old tactics, that it's no longer working. It is working. So I've tried it. So once you've done this, and you obtain the photos that you need from the company, please make sure that you get their permission before you start using their material to actually promote their product. So then once you have all this, then you create your website. Like I will advise that you don't use the same copy that your affiliate partner is using, because you just want to create a unique differentiation, and also for ranking purpose, for Google to actually rank your site, because you don't want your content to be kind of duplicate content. So you just want to create that unique differentiation so that it doesn't hurt your ranking on Google, because everyone wants to be on the first page of Google with your chosen keyword. And once you're there, there's every likelihood that you're going to get more traffic. So once you've done all this, you set up your website for that particular product that you're promoting. So the next thing is that you you submit your website to search engines. So search engines is just like Google, you have Yandex, you have Bing. These are the where people actually go to actually search for information or product. They want to buy anything online, they go into this search engines that I have mentioned. So there's also a science behind it that you want Google to actually show your product and services to people who are looking for your similar product or the service that you offer. So we also have video that will teach you about SEO, how you can make your site friendly, how you can make Google to actually show your site to users of your product. So then after that, then the next step is actually link building. Link building is just a kind of expanding your network. So what does that mean? You begin to create profiles in Facebook, in LinkedIn, TikTok, and putting the link of your website in this platform. So when people are actually visiting that, they can click that and go to your website, which means more traffic for you, and that increases your click-through rate, and that may also lead to conversion on your site. Conversion means that somebody could sign up for the product. It could be one thing about the affiliate. It could be that you just completing a simple filling of the form and you get paid, depending on what. There's what we call the pay per click, pay per lead. Pay per lead is that they pay you for actually sending a customer to them. Then there are some who offer pay per action. That is, if you complete an action, or maybe they want you to complete a form, or it could be a trial. They said, okay, try this product for 30 days, and so you get paid for that, for actually helping them to drive traffic to their site. So once you be able to do this, there's the promotion. So you start promoting your product across different channels, and you write about the product either on your blog, words of mouth. You're telling people about how good the product is. You're writing a kind of product review, so to attract more customers, and you're posting these reviews on your social network, and people follow that link, and if they like, if they emotionally connect to your content, and they follow that link, big purchase, so you get paid for that, and that's how it is. So if you look at it, that's why I said at the end of this video that you will not be just giving out lead to businesses for free, because everything around you is actually money. Is it Uber that you want to order Uber ride? So these are, you can actually make commission on all this ride sharing, your airline, you're buying your grocery, you want to go to Walmart, so you can actually go online and make your purchases. If you want to pick in store, you can go there and pick in store, and you still get the commission for actually doing that. So this is, we're talking about the 10 step, the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is so wide, so we'll be treating these over in the next few months, the next few weeks, so that you have a full grasp of how these things work. So once you've done everything, remember to optimize your site to improve your search engine ranking and increase your traffic. And we offer the services. If you want us to actually set up your affiliate marketing for you, to help you set up your one-page landing page for the specific product you want to promote, and also show you and walk you through how you can optimize your site and how you can actually monetize your activities. Don't forget to actually check back to our channel, which is Internet Nugget, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get an alert when we release a new video. And I hope to see you next time in our video, and I want you to come back to our channel. We'll be giving you fresh content, and we'll be talking different aspects of digital marketing, how you can take advantage of digital marketing. A lot of opportunities abound on the internet. So like I said, if you're curious like me, I want you to join us in this journey. Why we do a lot of work, why we do the lifting, we do the research, so you can benefit from what we're doing by actually listening to our video, watching our video. So, and also share it to friends and family. Don't forget to also give us your feedback and tell us what you feel about what we're talking about. And if you have a question, just also don't forget to drop your question. We'll respond to that as soon as possible. I just want to say thank you for watching.